Conjugation in Spanish can be a nightmare, but today I'm going to show you a way to cheat the system. Let's take a pretty standard verb like to walk, which is caminar. There are 6 different ways to say caminar in the future tense, which is caminaré, caminarás, etc. But instead of learning all of these new words, what we can do is put the verb ir before it. It's kind of like, you know how in English when we want to say walk in the future, when we want to walk, we can say I'm going to walk or she is going to walk. You can do the same thing in Spanish. So by simply learning how to conjugate the verb ir, you can then use it to express all verbs in the future tense. For example, I'm going to study. Instead of saying estudiaré, you could say voy a estudiar, which is I'm going to study. Or the example, we are going to eat, instead of saying comeremos, you could say vamos a comer, we are going to eat. So in summary, by simply learning how to conjugate the verb ir, you will then be able to say any verb in the future tense.